Camera action.
Hi, and welcome to another veg-inspired video. I'm Kathy, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super hearty and delicious whole food plant-based tabbouleh. So sit back and enjoy this video. We'll start by putting in our bulgur. This is 2 cups of cooked bulgur. So we started with 2/3 of a cup of dry bulgur and cooked it. Next, I'll add in my 2 cups of roughly chopped parsley. Next, we'll add in the 3 scallions that were sliced and then minced. Next, we'll add in our 1 cup of tomatoes that we diced. We'll add in our 2 tablespoons of mint, and then we'll add in 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and we're gonna do a quick drizzle of red wine vinegar. We'll give it a few cracks of pepper, just a little bit of salt, and let's mix it up. Have it, a delicious and tasty whole food plant-based oil-free tabbouleh. Let's give it a quick taste. The pop of the freshness from the mint, the brightness of that lemon juice, and then that zing from the red wine vinegar. It is fantastic. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This is gonna pair great with our whole food plant-based oil-free creamy best ever hummus recipe that's coming to you next week. So hit that little subscribe so you don't miss it. And let me know in the comments what you want to pair your tabbouleh with. Until next time, eat more plants, live veg inspired, and have a great day.